Horses sound one slow out, excellent lady. We have Shadows Drops. Pass to begin, moving upon the outside, Larmanyaga. And in third, Mark This Bird. Then followed by My Promise, Notita, Tat Misteriosa, an excellent lady. He's the early trailer. We have Larmanyak by about 2 lengths. Shadows Drops in second, and in third, Naughty Tatat Mark This Bird. My Promise is racing in fifth, Misteriosa, an excellent lady. Meanwhile, we have Larmanyak by a length, Naughty Tatat in second, Shadows Drops on the outside third. Then moving up by Drell, Misteriosa, Mark This Bird. My Promise, an excellent lady. Larmanyak by only a length and a half. Then here comes Shadows Drops. Now trying to get closer in second. My Promise in third. Mark This Bird. Misteriosa. Excellent lady. And Naughty Tatata. Larmanyak by Oralenka. Shadows Drops. Moving up on the outside. This time we have Shadows Drops. Now takes the lead. Larmanyak draws back in second. Excellent lady in third. My Promise moving up. Misteriosa as they come down at the last 150. We have a Shadows Drops by about 2 lengths now. Larmanyak in second. Misteriosa, excellent lady. Last 75 meters. Jackie KB Ababo on top of horse. Shadows Drops. Second, close. Misteriosa, an excellent lady.